All right. Yes. I'm Olivia Nakazigo. You're all welcome. And I'm here to discuss my artificial intelligence project, like the project that I'm going to work on. So now, let me start with my project, my project problem, like the problem that is going to be solved by my project. Okay. Yes. I'm addressing the handwritten letters problem. Like, let me try to explain this. Ideally, I got this problem as me physically. I remember one time back, I had not copied notes, so I decided to borrow a book from my friend, such that I could copy the notes. But unfortunately, I failed to copy the notes. Reason being, my friend's handwriting wasn't good. Like, I couldn't understand what he had wrote. So, so the moment, so when started AI of recent, when they introduced us to this course, it really got into my mind. Like, I thought of what I could do, and this came quickly into my mind. So with this, I'm looking for, like, I'm aiming at working on a handwritten letters recognition. Like, it's a system on its own that is going to solve this problem. The eligible handwriting. It's basically going to solve it. So how is artificial intelligence going to help out in this problem? How is it going to help out in this problem? I'm going to use the image processing algorithm. I'm going to apply the image processing algorithm that will help me develop a system, an AI system that will enable us this as a that will enable anyone who fails to read someone's work, who fails to understand the reason being of the illegible handwriting. I'm also actually going to then apply neural networks, like the artificial neural networks. Yeah. So basically, sorry, then when I go to the data types, like that I'm going to do the data, I'm going to apply images. I'm going to use images in the process of me implementing the image processing algorithm. Then when I go to the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. Alright, Supervised learning is basically, it deals with labeled data. Like when you work, as you're going to work on a project, on an AI project, when you well know what you're going to do with, as in the model, labeled data. When you're well sure that you're going to do, maybe you're going to deal with maybe colors, as in that's what you're going to base on, as when you're implementing your algorithm, or you're going to work with, should I say, age, like those attributes, the features. But for the unsupervised learning, for the unsupervised learning, the things are done by the system, as in you're not specific. You just do, like here. Yeah, like training the model to predict output when new data is provided. The objective of supervised learning, while finding useful insights, hidden patterns from the unknown dataset, is the objective on unsupervised learning. Yes, that's what I've been explaining. Then labeled data, I talked about it. It was my first point. It has been my first point. Then results produced by supervised learning are accurate, while those of the unsupervised learning are inaccurate. Yes, because when you're going to do a system for the supervised learning, you're well sure of what you're going to do, meaning results will be accurate. But for the unsupervised one, they won't be accurate. They are less accurate. Then when I go to the other thing that I'm to discuss with you, how, like, which techniques am I going to use under supervised learning within my project? The techniques that I'm going to use within my project. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm there. In this project, as I told you when I was starting, when I was starting this video, I told you that I'm going to do with artificial neural networks. In artificial neural networks, like how am I going to implement this technique in my project? Artificial neural networks, one neuron can perform I wrote here briefly. One neuron can perform a simple process information function. However, to perform a complex task as pattern recognition and memorizing the system, there is need for neurons. Therefore, artificial neural networks is to be used because it has thousands of neurons. It's, as I go further and I continue, but for the unsupervised learning techniques, surely under this handwritten letter recognition, it's rarely to find unsupervised learning techniques used within the handwritten recognition. It's very rare. In most cases, we use supervised learning, but these are your, but for better understanding, I included the unsupervised learning techniques. So I'm going to use the cluster method. Now I'm going to cluster. What do I mean by clustering? What do I mean by clustering? With this clustering method, words, like what statements will be will be clustered in two portions and will be clustered in two words, then words in two letters, you get, for better understanding. But all it's going to be done by the system. Then the AI challenges, technical challenges that I'm most likely to face within my project in the process of developing it. I outlisted them here. Having cybersecurity, as you know, it's well explained. Then data privacy. Then even algorithmic bias. Okay, by data privacy, what do I mean? This AI system, since they are all in control, they are all controlled, you get, by the commands you give them, but still it's very easy for this AI system to dispose of your personal information. You get? So this tends to be a challenge. Then cybersecurity, it's self-explanatory. How can I solve these AI challenges? For data privacy, there is need to use some techniques, like here I gave a homomorphic encryption. This will keep the information private and secure even when sending them over a network. Then for cybersecurity, it can be overcome using a security first cloud strategy that includes continuous security testing and verification to ensure that AI systems are safe from only threats, including viruses and malware. Then the differences between accuracy, recall, precision, and F1 score. We all know these are evaluation matrices, if I'm not sure, but I think that's it, yeah. So what's accuracy? Accuracy is the ratio of correctly predicted observation to the total observations. I guess it's self-explanatory. Then recall. Recall is the ratio of true positives to all the positives in the data set. Whereas precision is the ratio of true positives to all positives predicted by the model. Lastly, F1 score is the weighted average of precision and recall. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I would like even to share with you my references, like where I got all these ideas. Yeah, I have here 4 references. You can actually go and read about it. And go and read about them. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. But a reminder to you all, don't forget to click that red button, that red bell to view, to subscribe. Thank you.